Assume for a moment that you hold the power to create the reality you desire. The world around you is a reflection of your thoughts, beliefs, and feelings. When it comes to manifesting your dreams, especially the dream of winning the lottery, there is an inner journey you must embark on. This journey is not just about buying a ticket or hoping for luck, it involves aligning your mindset with the abundance that exists in the universe. As you read these affirmations, let them resonate deeply within you, transforming your beliefs and preparing you to receive the wealth you seek. Winning the lottery, a dream that dances in the minds of many. It's not merely about the money, it's about the freedom, the possibilities, and the life-changing potential it holds. Yet, while the desire to win may be universal, the understanding of how to manifest such dreams is often misunderstood. To truly align yourself with the idea of winning, you must first grasp the fundamental principle that your reality is shaped by your beliefs and feelings. Every thought you entertain and every emotion you feel creates the fabric of your experience. Therefore, let us dive into the affirmations and insights that can help you align your mind with the energy of abundance and prosperity. Begin each day by affirming your belief in the possibility of winning. I am a winner. I attract abundance effortlessly. This simple affirmation sets the tone for your day, allowing you to step into a mindset that is open to receiving the abundance that life has to offer. Note, what you focus on expands. So, by stating your intention clearly and confidently, you begin to shift your consciousness into a space where winning is not just a dream but a reality waiting to unfold. Visualization is a powerful tool in this process. Picture yourself not just holding a winning ticket, but fully experiencing the emotions that come with it. Imagine the joy, the excitement, and the overwhelming sense of freedom. Feel it in every part of your being. This practice does not just help you envision your win, it begins to create a vibrational match between you and the life you desire. When you connect with the feelings of having already won, you align yourself with that reality, making it more likely to manifest. It's also essential to release any doubts or limiting beliefs that may hinder your journey. I release all fears and doubts. I am worthy of abundance. These affirmations serve as reminders that you deserve to live a life of prosperity. Any negative thoughts that surface are simply remnants of old beliefs that no longer serve you. Acknowledge them, but do not let them dictate your reality. Replace them with positive affirmations that reaffirm your worthiness and your ability to attract the wealth you desire. As you continue this journey, cultivate gratitude for the abundance that is already present in your life. Gratitude is a powerful magnet for attracting more of what you appreciate. I am grateful for the wealth that flows into my life. By expressing gratitude for both what you currently have and what you are about to receive, you send a clear message to the universe that you are open and ready to receive more. It is also beneficial to think of the idea of luck as a natural state of being. I am lucky. Opportunities flow to me easily. Many view luck as an external force, but it can also be seen as an internal state of alignment. When you cultivate an attitude of luck, you become more aware of the opportunities that surround you, increasing your chances of recognizing and seizing them. Each evening, take a moment to reflect on your day. I am thankful for the blessings that came my way today. This practice of reflection helps you to focus on the positive aspects of your life, reinforcing the belief that abundance is all around you. It's a gentle reminder that even small victories are worth celebrating and contribute to your overall sense of prosperity. Now, let's talk about taking inspired action. While affirmations and visualizations are essential, they must be complemented by action. I am open to opportunities that lead me to my dreams. When you take steps toward your goal, you demonstrate your commitment to manifesting your desires. This action can be as simple as purchasing a lottery ticket or researching different ways to invest in your future. Lastly, it's vital to maintain a sense of detachment from the outcome. I trust in the timing of my life. While it's natural to want to win, holding on too tightly to the outcome can create resistance. Trust that the universe has a plan for you, and remain open to the possibilities that may unfold. Sometimes, what you think you want may not be what's best for you. By letting go, you allow space for greater opportunities to manifest. Winning is not merely a stroke of luck, it is a manifestation of your beliefs and intentions. So, think of your power as a creator. I create my reality with my thoughts and feelings. Let this affirmation resonate deeply within you as a reminder that you hold the keys to your own abundance. Your thoughts have the ability to shape your world, and as you focus on the possibilities, you will find doors opening in ways you never imagined. In the quiet moments of your day, pause to reflect on the abundance around you. I see the abundance in my life every day. This simple acknowledgement serves to reinforce your connection with the energy of prosperity. The more you notice and appreciate what you already have, the more you attract similar experiences into your life. It is a cycle of abundance that grows as you nurture it. Be mindful of your inner dialogue. I speak kindly to myself and my dreams. Your thoughts are powerful, and the language you use shapes your experience. Replace self-doubt with encouragement and support. Affirm your worthiness and your ability to attract the life you desire. Each time you speak positively about yourself and your dreams, you strengthen the foundation upon which your desires can manifest. Celebrate each step of your journey, no matter how small. I honor my progress and celebrate my victories. Each moment spent nurturing your dreams is a step toward manifestation. By recognizing and appreciating your efforts, you maintain a positive momentum that propels you toward your goals. Every day presents a new chance to attract wealth, and your thoughts are a powerful force in this process. I see potential for abundance in every situation. This affirmation serves as a reminder that abundance is not limited to one avenue, it flows through various channels. By adopting this perspective, you become more attuned to possibilities that may have previously gone unnoticed. Engaging in the practice of gratitude not only helps in attracting wealth but also shifts your overall perspective on life. I find joy in every small blessing. When you consciously focus on the positive aspects of your life, you elevate your energy. This elevated state acts as a magnet for greater prosperity. As you nurture this habit, you begin to understand that abundance is not just about material wealth, it encompasses experiences, relationships, and personal growth. To further enhance your mindset, consider incorporating daily affirmations into your routine. Speak them aloud in the morning or write them down to reinforce your beliefs. I am open to receiving financial abundance. This simple statement can set the tone for your day, reminding you to remain receptive to opportunities that may arise. It acts as a gentle nudge to stay focused on your goals while encouraging a sense of optimism. It's also important to visualize not just the end result of winning the lottery, but the journey of achieving your financial dreams. Picture the steps you would take once you win. I see myself making wise financial decisions. This statement helps to cultivate a sense of responsibility and prepares you for the lifestyle changes that may come with newfound wealth. Understanding that winning is only the beginning can help you maintain your financial success. Maintaining a healthy relationship with money is another crucial aspect of this process. I welcome wealth into my life without fear. Money, like any other energy, should flow freely. When you harbor negative feelings towards it, you create resistance. Shift your perspective to view money as a tool that can help you achieve your goals and support your dreams. Acknowledge any fears surrounding money and replace them with affirmations that reinforce your ability to manage wealth positively. It's also helpful to visualize the impact of your winnings on the lives of others. I see myself sharing my wealth with those I love. This statement fosters a spirit of generosity and highlights the positive ripple effects of your financial success. When you envision using your winnings for good, you align yourself with the energy of abundance, which is inherently expansive and inclusive. As you continue to explore this journey toward financial freedom, stay curious. I am open to learning new ways to attract wealth. This mindset allows you to adapt and grow as you navigate opportunities that may come your way. Each experience can teach you something valuable, whether it's about yourself, your relationship with money, or the world around you. Embracing a mindset of lifelong learning positions you to seize opportunities that will lead to your financial dreams. In conclusion, understanding that you are a powerful creator of your own reality is crucial in the quest for abundance. The universe responds to your thoughts and emotions, and you hold the key to unlocking the wealth you desire. As you continue to affirm your worthiness, visualize your success, and cultivate gratitude, note that your mindset can shape your experience in profound ways. If you found this content helpful, consider showing your support by liking this video. Your engagement helps spread the message of abundance and positivity. Also, subscribe to the channel for more insights and affirmations designed to help you manifest your desires. You can hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share this video with friends and family who may benefit from these teachings. Together, we can create a ripple effect of positivity and abundance in our lives. As you continue on this path, note to take a moment each day to appreciate the journey you are on. Your thoughts, beliefs, and actions all contribute to the life you are creating. Stay focused on your dreams, and trust that the universe is conspiring in your favor. The energy you put out into the world will come back to you tenfold.